Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the notifications in the BlockChain application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here if you scroll down a little bit in the settings section, you should just press on the third option, which is notifications. And here you can see the different types of notifications like wallet activity, security alerts, product news and price alerts. You can just press on any one of these and you can just manage the notifications, in this case the push notifications. You can activate or deactivate it and do the same with the rest. You can see it's always the push notifications that you can activate or deactivate, and in the product news you also have the emails. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.